Hi everyone, and thank you for watching this video. Today we're going to answer a question again that our drivers and learner drivers often ask us, can I fail my driving test if I can't parallel park? So the short answer is, unfortunately, yes, if you can't parallel park, there's a chance you won't pass the driving test. So there is only one of the 4 maneuvers. So if it's your weakest maneuver, don't overly worry. You've got a 25% chance of actually getting the maneuver, but obviously if you can perfect that maneuver before you start your driving test, that is obviously going to help you out massively. So there's a couple of reasons why, you will not pass the maneuver itself. The first one is control. So lose control of the vehicle. That could be, you let it hit the curb, or it could also be that you're a long way from the curb when you finish, but also it could be that you are too far away from the car in front. You've got to be able to finish the maneuver within 2 car lengths. The other reason to fail is observations. So if you don't look around and make sure you're safe, so your shoulder checks, both sides and in front of you for cars that may be coming towards you from either direction, or any direction should I say, then again you may well find yourself in a bit of a pickle and not pass the maneuver for that as well. So ways to avoid it, I'd say really a quick fire sort of few ways. First way is make sure that you are completely happy with the method you have. Now that doesn't necessarily mean that it needs to be your instructor's method. If you're struggling with a method to remember, then you can always create your own method. Speak to your driving instructor. They can help you through that to devise your own way to get the exercise done to a satisfactory standard. The other way is make sure your driving instructor's not actually helping you too much. So that doesn't mean like no help at all if you really need it, but if you find that when you're doing the maneuver, your driving instructor or your supervising driver is having to just point things out to you quite often, then it probably means you're not quite ready for the maneuver on test. So just try and re-go over it and make sure you know what's going on at all the points to make sure you're getting there. The third method is practice. Probably the only way to get better at these maneuvers is just to keep practicing them and keep going over them. Don't be scared to ask your driving instructor to have a lesson just doing that, if that's what you feel you need to do to make sure that you're going to give yourself the best chance of passing not only the maneuver but obviously the driving test as well. Okay, so hopefully that's answered some of the question for you and given you some ideas about how you might be able to move forward. So keep tuned. Please feel free to watch any of our other videos. We're just trying to help you guys answer any questions. If you do have any questions that you want us to answer, then our email is just below this video, and I'll put it on the video as well so you can see it. And you're more than welcome to send us an email and we will get through them as quickly as we can and get them out there for you. Okay, take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.